Hi everybody. Today we are going to know about globe model of the earth in the form of objective questions. Number 1. The movement of the earth around the sun is known as dash. Options: rotation, revolution, inclination. Right option: revolution. Next, sun rays fall directly on the equator on dash. Options: 21st March, 21st June, 21st July. The right option is 21st March. Next, Christmas is celebrated in summer in dash. Options: Japan, Australia, India. Right option: Australia. Next, the cycle of the season is caused due to dash. Option: rotation, revolution, gravitation. Right option is revolution. Next, the imaginary lines that runs parallel to the equator is known as dash. Options: longitudes, latitudes, equator. Option: latitudes. Next, the half of the earth that lies north of the equator is known as dash. Options: northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, eastern hemisphere. The right option is northern hemisphere. Next, an imaginary line about which a body rotates is known as dash. Options: circle, axis, pole. Right option: axis. Next, the imaginary semicircle lines that join the north and south poles are called dash. Options: latitudes, longitudes, equator. Right option: longitudes. Coming next, 0 degree latitudes is known as the options: equator, Greenwich, prime meridian. Right option: equator. Next, The 90-degree latitude on the south is the options: North Pole, South Pole, poles. Right option: South Pole. Next, North Pole 90 degrees north, the Arctic Circle 66.5 degrees north, and the Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degrees north are the important dash in the northern hemisphere. Options: latitudes, longitudes, equator. Right option: latitudes. Next, South Pole 90 degrees south, the Antarctica Circle 66.5 degrees south, and the Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees south are the important latitudes in the options: Southern Hemisphere, Northern Hemisphere, Western Hemisphere. Right option: Southern Hemisphere. Next, 0-degree longitudes are called options: prime meridian or Greenwich, international dateline, equator. Correct option is prime meridian or Greenwich. Next, Earth moves on its own axis from west to east at a speed of 1610 kilometers per hour. This movement is called options: rotation, revolution, rotation and revolution. Right option: rotation. Next, the earth basically has dash movements. Options: 3, 2, 4. Right option: two. Next, dash are caused due to the Earth's rotation. Option: orbit, seasons, day and night. Right option: day and night. Next, Earth takes dash hours, dash minutes and 4.09 seconds, about 24 hours, that is 1 day, to complete one rotation. Options: 23 hours 56 minutes, 23 hours 52 minutes, 23 hours 54 minutes. Right option: 23 hours 56 minutes. Next, the Earth takes 1 year to complete one dash. Options: rotation, revolution, axis. Right option. Revolution. Next, the fixed and regular path through which Earth revolves around the Sun is called. Options: orbit, axis, rotation. Right option. Orbit. Next, leap year consists of dash days. Options: 365, 366, 364. Right option. 366. Next, the longest and the shortest night at these places occur on dash in northern hemisphere. Options: 21st June, 21st July, 21st September. Right option. 21st June. Next, the line seen opposite to Greenwich, it is called the dash and found at 180 degrees longitude. Options: meridians, prime meridian, international date line. Right option. International date line. Next, longitudes are farthest at the dash and meet at the poles. Options: meridians, equator, Greenwich. Right option. Equator. Next, the earth is moving around the sun in a dash. Options: elliptical orbit, circular orbit, rotational orbit. Right option. Elliptical orbit. Next, in a leap year, we have dash days in the month of February. Options: 29, 28, 27. Right option. 29. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you want any topic like this, you made a comment. Thanking to all.